Best 750 watt mixer grinder. Number 5. Crompton MEO 750 watt mixer grinder with mix grind and motor Ventex technology. Approx price 2766 rupees. Wattage 750 watt. Operating voltage 220 to 240 volts. Ergonomic handle designed for firm grip. Leak-proof lids. Flow breaker jar. Inbuilt overload protection. 5-year warranty on motor and 2-year warranty on product. Number 4. Preeti Blue Lip Diamond MG 214 mixer grinder 750 watt. Approx price 3586 rupees. Operating voltage 230 volts. Flex cord PVC insulated 3 core. Operating noise level 80 dB. 100% stainless steel jars and blades. Powerful 750 watt motor. Number 3. Butterfly Smart Mixer Grinder 750 watt 4 jars. Approx price 2699 rupees. Wattage 750 watt. Voltage 220 to 240 volts. 50 to 60 Hz. Revolution 18500. ABS body. Cord material 180 cm. 3 speed with whip. Auto switch off. Number 2. Philips HL775600 mixer grinder 750 watt. 3 stainless steel multi-purpose jar. Approx price 3210 rupees. Wattage 750 watts. Voltage 230 volts. Body material ABS. 3 speed control plus pulse. Jar material stainless steel. Leak proof food grade stainless steel jars. Number 1. Prestige Iris 750 watt mixer grinder with 3 stainless steel jar plus 1 juicer jar. Approx price 2699 rupees. Wattage 750 watt. Voltage 230 volt. Revolution 20,000 RPM. 4 super efficient blades and stainless steel jars. Overload protection. Cord material PVC with copper wire. Body material ABS plastic. 3 speed control. Motor warranty 2 years. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.